I want to fill in this big trig table using patterns. So this is theta, sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cotangent theta. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Now to fill it in, it's going to use a couple of patterns, a couple of memory mnemonics. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Square root, square root, square root, square root, square root. You can do it really quickly. Now you want to go back and simplify. So what's the square root of 0? Well, the square root of 0 is 0. And 0 divided by 2, that's 0. The square root of 1 is 1. So that'll simplify to just 1/2. Square root of 2, you can't simplify. The square root of 3, you can't simplify. So 45 degrees and 60 degrees, you can't simplify. The square root of 4 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now that I have that simplified, I have all the sine values in quadrant 1 of the unit circle. All the y values. Now to find the cosine, all you do is take this and transfer it over here. Root 3 over 2 comes over here. Root 2 over 2 comes down. 1/2 slides over. 0 slides over here. Find the tangent. The tangent is the trig identity of sine theta divided by cosine theta. To find out these tangent values, all I have to do is this 0 divided by this 1. 0 divided by 1 is 0. 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2 is going to be root 3 over 3. The square root of 2 divided by 2 divided by the square root of 2 divided by 2. The square root of 2 divided by 2 divided by the square root of 2 divided by 2. Any number divided by itself is 1. Root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, when you keep flip change that, you just get root 3. And then 1 divided by 0 is going to be undefined. If you have the tangent values, you have the cotangent values flipped around. That undefined will come down here in this cotangent value. That root 3 will come over here. The 1, the root 3 over 3, the 0. Cosecant. Cosecant is 1 over sine theta. So to figure out what goes here, I have to go up to the sine numbers and do 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0, 1 over the sine value, 1 over 0 is undefined. 1 divided by 1/2 is going to give me 2. 1 divided by root 2 over 2 is root 2. 1 divided by root 3 over 2 is 2 root 3 over 3. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. If I have the cosecant values, I have the secant values going the other way. That 1 comes over here. That 2 root 3 over 3 slides over. The root 2, the 2, and the undefined.